Yo, in my ratchet ass free. Go.
Outfit of the day.
Outfit Forever 21. Ears Amazon. Sneakers Nike. Body by God.
Alright, outfit from Shein. Kevin from Amazon. Jewelry Pandora. Womero 5 Nike. Body for my mom. Day 2. Mela, come show your outfit. Ready? Okay. Outfit from Shein. This from Disney. Body from Mommy. Okay, come on, let's go. Alright, day 2. We are going to eat breakfast at the cafe, and then we are going to Magic Kingdom to eat at the Crystal Palace, but that's for dinner. But we're gonna try and find somewhere else to eat for lunch today. Good morning. I don't know if it's recording. I'm gonna talk to y'all while she went back to the room to get Jamila's toy. For breakfast today, I have my own tea that I bought in the UK. I got French vanilla chai. It is so good. It's like spicy, but it's not. I love tea. I'm an avid tea drinker. And then a chocolate chip. Me and Mommy are Tiana. We're in Magic Kingdom. The castle's like right behind me.
You are now watching the Ghost Party. Ghost Party with some ghosts.
We're gonna make Princess Tiana. So excited. For y'all, it's Tiana and Aurora. You gonna say cheese? Good job. Very good cheese. Oh, she's trying to pretty. Oh, pretty. Got it. There you go. Oh, we like to say painting on it. So I'm with Tiana. Picture right here. Freaking amazing. Like literally, I love the Tiana movie. Tiana is literally my favorite princess. It's not because she's the only black princess, it's because she got it on the mud. Like working to buy her own restaurant. She didn't want no help. Even when she married Prince Naveed, she didn't want no help. So that's why I love Princess Tiana. And that's why I'm Tiana today. Period. That was something I wanted to cross off my list. So right now we're about to eat funnel cake, and I'm about to charge my phone because it's dying. So charge my phone and the charger. I feel like my phone is used for pictures all the time. But we got that out the way. Oh, it's a lot of food. Whoa, what's that? Because the fruit. Hey, to ride a big girl ride. I like the rides that go upside down, twisted and everything. But my mom, she doesn't like going upside down, but she could do a drop, right, Mom? Yep. A little drop, but upside down, that's when she draws the line. So look at the castle, it's so beautiful. It's a hot day today. Hopefully this line isn't long. A lot of people that came with kids. Oh, I'm looking, it's not giving long.
We didn't even get there yet.
Let's hope. Ma, I think that's the line. Oh no, it's not that long.
75-minute wait.
All right, y'all. We about to go on Under the Sea with Ariel. I'm so excited. We're in like, I don't know where we're at, but this is like Gaston's Tavern, stuff like that.
She looks just like me. Thank you. Remember old dude from 2019? Nice, clean nigga did me dirtier than laundry. Took a scroll through his IG just to get a DM from his wifey. I was so confused.
I got tea with honey. Sorry. No, you're good.
22, Art of Animation.
Thank you. Good night.
You too, bye-bye.
Day 4 at Animal Kingdom. Let's see some animals. But first, we're gonna get breakfast. Right, Mom? Breakfast time. Yep. Mom is Sully. Monsters Inc. today. We're at the Rainforest Cafe, ready to eat our breakfast. By the time we finish eating, the safari will be ready for us to get on. The safari time is at 11:03, so we got time. I got French toast with bacon and some of Alicia's potatoes. I got an omelet. Mom got the same thing with a side of eggs. How's the eggs? It has fruit. All right, now we're about to go in the park to the safari. Woo!
High vegetation like bushes. On our right, guys, light tan greater kudus. Those are those antelopes over there. And further up, that rusted red is a bongo. Did you guys see them? So they blend in really well with their surroundings as these are very solitary animals. Looks like a lush. They would wingspan about 9 feet as well, and they're actually the smallest pelican species. Now back up, look at the giraffes. Zebras hanging out with that Maasai giraffe.
Baby giraffe.
Now guys, Horned Mountain zebras, you can tell that that is the type of species they are because of the stripes. I love the okay. Are some springboks. White.
Eating Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Excited. Say hi. Leaving Animal Kingdom, and we're about to head back to Hollywood Studios to do Star Wars and maybe like Indiana Jones, and then we're going to maybe Epcot to eat lunch/dinner, and we'll probably end up Magic Kingdom again to see the fireworks. This time we'll probably get a much better like seating space at Magic Kingdom to see the fireworks. Hi, Animal. Hollywood Studios, here we go. Good job. We're in Star Wars right now. This is not really interesting to me because I don't know nothing about Star Wars, but it looks cool. The aesthetics is there for design. Up and down? Yeah, that's right. Two.
Right, five.
Can you do that?
Yep.
So you're ready.
Yep.
Restrooms are going to be the left, follow me to the right.
Oh, it smells so good in here. Smell like BBQs, Mom. This is so cute. Thank you.
For coming and meeting.
Thank you.
Enjoy and have fun.
Get out of here! Enjoy. Thank you. So we got baked beans chicken, the ribs, the brisket. We got Swingy's mac and cheese, this is my taste test. Ribs. They're going off. We got Belle! Look! It's Belle! Go ahead, Mama.
Wow.
Beautiful. Under the sea. I don't taste stuff. You don't taste it? I taste it now. My food is here. I got the fettuccine. Mom got the steak with mashed potatoes and shrimp. And Alicia got mahi-mahi, rice, broccoli, and yeah. And Jamila got raspberries. I'm gonna taste test mine. Restaurant, our last dessert. This is what Mom got. It's a Bailey's, right, Mom? And then I got Finding Nemo. I got a Finding Nemo thingy. I'm so excited to try it. Look. I'll show you guys.
Yes, baby, it's nighttime.
Is it good? It's not bad. All right, y'all. We are leaving Epcot after hours. It's literally nobody here. Literally leaving. It's our last night. Disney. Leaving the resort. We had a really good time. It was amazing. Did you enjoy yourself? You had fun?
Yeah.
Good job.
This is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. Hope you enjoyed your Orlando experience.
Bye-bye. On our way to our gate. Mommy, how are you feeling?
I don't want to go.
The airport about to leave. We got Starbucks for our gate. Waiting to take off. We're stuck on the taxi because it's like back up or whatever. Like the planes are backed up, so we're literally just sitting on the runway waiting to take off. But I'm gonna watch Lion King in the meantime, and I'll let you guys know what's it giving. I'm waiting for the snacks because I need some water. I'm so dehydrated. Back in New York, about to go get our bags. Trip 10 out of 10. It was a good flight. Yeah, turbulence wasn't that bad. You went up? You went up, up, up?
No, she's saying we gotta go up the escalator.
Oh, we are going up the escalator. We came down the escalator, remember? We was rushing to catch our flight. We are on the shuttle leaving JFK Airport. It is so freaking crowded, like so busy. I did not expect it to be this busy. But we finally made the shuttle. We're the only ones on the shuttle right now. I'm enjoying this peace and quiet. I'm enjoying this ride back to my mom's country. I want Chick-fil-A, but we'll see about that. But it is crowded right now.
That's okay?
Big bag, big bag. Straight off the airplane, right to seafood, right to craft resort. You know what I got? My boy. Not bad. It's good, isn't it? It's good.
You may be tipsy.
All right, we finished eating. My food is I did not finish everything. I thought I would. I did not. But this is our trash, and this is my drinky drink. This is really good. I might get this every time. But yeah.